Hello!
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 Hey, what's up, guys? What kind of plan we have for today, Sammie?
Today we're gonna go to Chinatown!
Chinatown. It means probably China Dragon Shopping Mall. We heard they have a lot of stuff from China. All there is from China.
Yeah.
And we're going to check what?
Fidget spinner!
Yes, we're hoping to find there a lot of fidget spinners. Take taxi, let's go there. That's the Dragon place. And the Mart. It's hot. Let's go inside. Oh, that's fontaine. Especially for us. I'm kidding. Look. Looks like it is a huge place. Shape of dragon. And we are here. Ah, he's here. Okay. Is this mall made in China? Wow, a lot of stuff. Oh, look, Sammie, at this.
Oh, this one's nice.
Diamonds.
Captain America, look at this.
Oh, dollar. I like this.
Look at this one!
This one is nice. Canada.
Cool spinners.
I don't have this one. It's with 6.
You have it.
No.
Oh, you have 5, yeah?
I think so.
Uh-huh.
This one is 6.
A lot of cool spinners. Here we have more. Whoa! Mommy, did you see this?
Yeah, I've seen it. It's nice.
Yeah. This one is heavy.
Nice.
And this one is not.
Look at this, Sammie.
How do you do that, Daddy?
Look. Sammie.
I cannot do that, Daddy. Daddy, I cannot do that.
Yeah. Something wrong with this.
Yeah, but this one looks cool because look, I showed you, I think, guys, but look, it's like this and it looks like this.
Here they have even more. Wow.
Billions of fidget spinners.
10 millions?
10
Oh.
billion.
Even more spinners. But all are pretty much the same, you know? It's not a spinner, this one. It's a lighter or what? What?
Transformers, Daddy.
Transformers! Okay, second. Sheriff. Wow, this one is cool, Sammie.
Oh. It's a spinner.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sure, it's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's heavy.
This one heavy too.
And Mommy,
Whoa! Look, Sammie. It's killing me. Look at that, Sammie.
let's try new one.
Which way should we go, Sammie? There? There? Or there? It looks like a maze.
Right.
We came from here. And it's just entrance.
We're not going to the right.
No, not there. We can try this way. Mm-hmm. That's cool. It's not Lambo, Sammie. Here, but that's Bugatti. And that's the first Bugatti I see in Dubai, you know? Yes. Here we have toys, Sammie. Chinese toy store. Oh! Look! Look! Lego-like! Lepin, Lego Friends. Chinese Lego Friends. Angry Bird. Look, it's not Angry Birds, it's Angry Bird. Yeah, no, the Chinese version.
Yeah.
Nexu. And McDonald's.
Minecraft. And Lepin.
Lepin. Actually, it's cool. Not sure what to think about it, but it's interesting to see. Look, superhero.
Yeah, and it's a Lego friend.
Star Winners.
It's a Lego friend. Not
Friends.
Lego friend. It's a Lego friend.
Kind of funny.
And
More spinners, Sammie, look. What you see there? Oh, football.
soccer.
Wow.
From United States of America.
Oh.
And football if you are...
Ooh, look at this. Chinese dragon spinner. Look, Sammie.
Oh.
Gold. No, it's plastic, but looks like gold. No, that's on the phone, yeah? You touch the flame? Yeah!
Hello, the fake stuff.
A lot of fake stuff around, yeah? But it looked really, really good. Like original, actually.
Come here.
What? Like pallets? It's nice. It is nice. Or that one. It is great.
Yeah.
And more fidget spinners.
But they are not fake, I think.
Wait, that's fidget spinner? Don't think so.
Which one?
Oh, I like this. Wait.
This one is very smooth.
That's ninja style. Ouch!
Yeah.
Hurts!
Good hearts.
Maybe other way then. Do not shoot me. Do not shoot me, Sammie.
It's most here. It's here.
Yeah. Nice. And more spinners. Look, diamonds.
Oh, look at this one. Daddy, look at
Uh-huh.
this
Oh,
one.
I like this.
It's
Cool.
plastic.
Let's see this one. Wow. Like a diamond.
This one
it's
should be
spinning.
popular because it's Pokemon.
And more.
Yeah.
Here again, more. Cool.
Like 10 billion.
A lot of stuff. So it is a kingdom of spinners, right? Spinners everywhere. And it's huge. Oh, here you have more fidget spinners.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this one.
Yes, boss, how are you?
Good. Oh, it doesn't spin very well. Try this one, Sammie.
And look at that.
Wow, yeah.
It spins well, Daddy, look.
What's that?
Only 2 days, yeah.
Can I see?
After tomorrow, inshallah, tell you. How much?
Something for me, soccer.
The only second.
No, maybe this month I will
What
give
is that?
2005, right?
Press and press and press.
Because 6 months.
Fidget Cube.
Yeah, she and
What's your face, Sammie? They even make fake PlayStation?
Maybe.
What's that? More spinners.
Fidget world.
Everywhere spinners.
I did 3. What?
Almost apple. Crazy. Sammie, don't touch. Wow. Iron Man back. That's cool. Isn't it?
Yeah.
And we cannot see the end of the mall. It's endless. Ah, Sammie, gaming one.
Can I have it?
It's cool.
Yeah, it's PlayStation stuff.
And even more spinners. This is nice. And more, and more.
We need to try this one.
We tried this.
And we didn't buy it.
Look at those.
Whoa.
Okay, seems like we can walk and walk and walk and we cannot find the end of the store. And we are getting tired, yeah?
Oh, not the store.
It's the same. Ah! You can even change your hair here. We are outside.
Whoa.
It's so hot. We need to find taxi, I guess.
Oh, there's that.
Where? There. Okay. Let's go. Was it nice, Sammie? A lot of spinners?
Yes.
It's like a lot of spinners.
It's like Fidget spinner world.
World? Yeah. Okay. Ooh, so hot.
I love it.
So what we got, Sammie? We got some new spinners.
Yeah, but this one it's named finger spinner.
You know, fidget spinner, finger spinner, or my version, widget spinner. Whatever. Look, guys.
Yeah.
Gaming one.
PlayStation.
PlayStation Pro.
PlayStation Pro. Alright.
Pokemon.
Pokeball. I think it's a name Pokeball.
Okay.
Pokeball.
Spinner. I like this one.
Yeah.
Isn't it nice? Wow, quite
Okay.
heavy. Oh, cool, look.
It's not heavy really.
It's heavier than different one. Dollar one is cool. Actually, all our spinners are nice, Sammie.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is heavy actually. Dollar.
Yeah, pretty heavy because
Mhm.
it's color one. I think that's why I think.
It's kind of
Because the-
steel, you know, that's
yeah,
why.
because the color ones are like, oh, this one is broke because it's moving.
Moving? Maybe it should or not. Like, It's moving like here. I don't. Oh, look what happened. Okay, now you see.
Yeah. And the last one.
That's the last one. I like this one. No, it's flexible, which is cool.
But this one is a little bit flexible.
Yes.
But this one is small. I
It
think
is
a
small,
little
yeah.
bit. Look.
Yeah, this is flexible too. Doesn't spin very well, but it looks great, I think. Oh, it's not bad. Okay, that was our spinner hunting in Chinatown.
Yeah.
Dragon Mart or Market? Yeah.
No, Mart. Dragon Mart.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was Dragon Mart.
Okay, whatever. Stay with us, guys, and bye 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 bye.
Bye 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 bye. Tusa.
and click the bell. Bang!
Bye.